Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Music not working issue on your Apple device in iOS 27. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27, and now the Apple Music is not working on your device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general, and then go to iPhone storage, and from here go to Apple Music. So guys, go to music from here and then offload music app from your device for one time. So guys, simply offload the app, and after this go back and then go to App Store and download and install the latest version of music app on your device. So guys, simply search for music and then download and install the latest version of music app on your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is open settings on your device, and then you have to go to your profile, and from here you have to simply sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time. So guys, do this, and after this sign in your Apple ID again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, and that is force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support officials from here or the Apple team from here for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.